Most new lawns fail before the grass even starts growing. Why? Because people focus only on the seed. But a great lawn starts with preparation. Here are 10 essential rules for starting a new lawn the right way. Rule number 1: prepare the soil before seeding. Do not throw grass seed onto hard, messy ground and expect perfect results. Remove stones, roots, old plant material, and debris. Loosen the top layer of soil. Grass seed needs good contact with healthy soil to germinate properly. Rule number 2: remove weeds before you start. Weeds often grow faster than young grass. If you seed into a weedy area, your new lawn will be competing from day one. Clear the weeds first. Give your grass a clean start. Rule number 3: level the ground properly. Low spots can collect water. High spots can dry out too fast. An uneven surface will create an uneven lawn. Rake the area smooth. Fill dips, break up clumps. The flatter and cleaner the surface, the better the final result. Rule number 4: choose the right grass seed mix. Not every grass seed is the same. Some mixes are better for sunny lawns. Some are better for shade. Some handle foot traffic better. Choose seed that matches your yard, your climate, and how the lawn will be used. Cheap random seed can lead to a thin, weak lawn. Rule number 5: seed at the right time of year. Grass seed needs the right temperature and moisture. In many areas, early fall is one of the best times to seed. Spring can also work, but extreme summer heat makes new lawns much harder to establish. Good timing gives your grass a stronger start. Rule number 6: spread the seed evenly. Uneven seeding creates bare spots and thick clumps. A simple trick is to divide the seed in half. Spread the first half in one direction, then spread the second half across the area in the opposite direction. This helps create more even coverage. Rule number 7: cover and press the seed into the soil. Grass seed should not just sit loose on top of the ground. Lightly rake it in. Cover it with a very thin layer of soil. Then gently press or roll the surface. This improves seed to soil contact, and better contact means better germination. Rule number 8: water gently and often at the beginning. New grass seed must stay consistently moist, not flooded, not dry. Use gentle watering so you do not wash the seed away. In the beginning, light and frequent watering is important. Once the grass is established, you can switch to deeper, less frequent watering. Rule number 9: stay off the new lawn while it grows. Young grass is fragile. Walking on it can damage seedlings, compact the soil, and create uneven areas. Give the new lawn time to grow stronger before using it normally. Rule number 10: do the first mow at the right height. Do not mow too early and never scalp a new lawn. Wait until the grass is tall enough. Use a sharp mower blade. Cut only a small amount at first. The first mow should help the grass thicken, not stress it. So remember this: a strong lawn does not start with seed alone. It starts with soil preparation, clean ground, the right seed, careful watering, and patience. Follow these 10 rules, and your new lawn has a much better chance of becoming thick, green, and healthy. Subscribe for more simple lawn care tips and turn your grass into something exceptional.